Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something super exciting for you. I'll show you how to remove the background from any video using AI. And guess what? No green screen is needed. First, download and install Edimakor from the official website and then run the application. Click on Create a Video, then add the video and drag it onto the timeline. Once you have done that, select the video, go to View, then go to AI Tools and enable Remove Background toggle. You can see that the video's background is removed, that too with just a single click. If you want, you can also add a custom background to your video after removal. You can do that by going to Media and then clicking on Background. Select any background and drag it below the video layer. This background can be both an image or a video. It depends on your needs. If you want, you can also add amazing effects to your video to make it more energetic and engaging. Once you're happy with your video, click on the Export button and export the video. Alright, that's it. Now you know how to remove video backgrounds with AI. No green screen, no complicated editing, just pure magic. Subscribe for more videos and I'll see you soon.